Hello, I'm Luc Bouchard, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reading. I forgive myself for believing that I can doubt my connection to God. Okay, so let me see what I wrote here. Why is it that we doubt our connection to God? Guilt. It is our belief in guilt that not only elicits fear of the future, but it takes us out of the present. And therein lies the cause of our perceived separation from God. For how could we possibly be connected to God when we're thinking about what we might or might not be? Our fears of the future clearly take us out of the present, whereas our connection with God can only be achieved in the now. So the fear that we have, the belief that we have, our doubt thoughts are really about the ego keeping us separated from God. Our perceived separation from God, mind you, and it is that doubt that we have that constantly plays on us and is a byproduct of navigating through this world, this battleground, this veil that we live in. And there's only one real way to basically stop having any doubts about your connection to God, and that is to come into the now, come into the present, and meditate or just get centered and just be quiet, be still, and ask the Holy Spirit to see it differently. It really is about a choice of not wanting to be where you're at. And when we can get connected and get still and just be present and stop all the noise that's in our head, then we have a greater connection to God. Then we raise our vibration because we are no longer attending to the external. We're no longer attending to what's happening out there, which is just a projection from our mind. We are actually now being able to be in the here and now and connected with God. So if you are having doubts and you're having fears and you're having depression and anxiety that comes with feeling like you're not connected to God, then you have to decide if you want to be that way. There's 24 hours in a day. Are you spending any of that time with God? Are you stopping and meditating? Are you being in contemplation? Are you doing prayers? Because those are the ways to basically stop having your connection to God, because it is our free will that keeps us separated, and it's our free will that keeps us tortured. I'm Luc Bouchard. I hope this video served you, and if you are feeling like you have a lot of doubt about your connection to God, then do yourself a favor and connect with the Holy Spirit and ask to see it differently. Thanks so much. Until another forgiveness declaration. Bye now.